Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be learning how to cover a cake with chocolate ganache. This is really simple and easy. I know we're all used to the buttercream method, covering with buttercream, but here now you can now cover with chocolate ganache and you stand to eliminate the chance of your cake wrecking. So I'm just gonna start by layering my cakes with chocolate ganache. Nothing too serious. I'm not actually using filling for this. You can use filling if you want to, and also note that you can also layer your cake with buttercream, then crumb coat with chocolate ganache. It's totally acceptable. Here I'm going to be covering a 3-layer cake. Yeah, I'm sure you'll be like, I can see more than 3 layers. I had to divide them into 2, so I have 6. So my layers are actually very tall. So when I'm actually giving you cake, just know that they're very tall cakes. So when I'm done layering all 6 of them, it looks wobbly, right? I always pop it into the fridge or the freezer for like 5 minutes and pop it out, and it's all firm. Now I can comfortably trim my cake without fear of it wobbling all about and wrecking. So it firms up really fast in the fridge. As you all know, it's chocolate, so it works well with cold environment. So as you can see, the pressure I'm putting on the cake, and it's not sliding off. That's because it has been chilled in the chiller. So now I'm just gonna crumb coat my cake with chocolate ganache. Really simple, easy, just the way you do it with your buttercream. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that immediately. Like this video, share it, as it really means a lot to me. Now I'm going to go in with my smoother, because it has, after crumb coating, I had to pop it into the fridge for a little while, like say 5 minutes. Then I'm just going to smoothen the sides and smoothen the top. Look at it sitting pretty on top of the turntable. If this video is giving you value, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also check out my other videos. They're very educative. I give you free tips, tricks, and best practices. Now I'm going to pour the rest of the chocolate ganache, because the initial one was a crumb coat. Now this is for us to actually frost the cake properly with our chocolate ganache. Look at it looking glossy. If you keep it on the table from time to time, it hardens up a little. You can loosen it up by putting a little bit of hot water in a bowl and just place the chocolate ganache bowl on top of it and stir it a little. I'm not saying boil it, just put it on top of hot water and take it off, and it loosens a little bit and it becomes glossier. So this is me just smoothing the side and try to level up the top, get off all the unnecessary imperfection. This method is really simple, very easy, really fast, and at this stage, if you want to cover a fondant, you can. Just know that when you want to cover with fondant, you don't have to necessarily smooth it till perfection. As long as it is straight enough and it is clean, you can cover in fondant. This method helps your fondant stay as long as possible outside the fridge. If you haven't tried this method, please do try it. Can you see the sharp edge? Crisp, sharp edge. This is done without an acrylic disc. Freehand, super easy, super nice. All I'm just gonna do now is to clean up the board and make it look perfect. and you can touch it comfortably. You can move it, you can transport it from this board to another board, and it's not gonna wreck. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye for now.